Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. The square root of 54x to the 5th y to the 6th. To simplify, we'll first factor out the perfect squares within the radicand. We can rewrite 54 as the product of 9 and 6, which we can write as 3 squared times 6. We then have x to the 5th, which is equal to the square of x squared times x. And we have y to the 6th, which is y cubed all squared. Now we can evaluate the square root of the perfect squares. So we have 3x squared y cubed times, and then what remains inside the square root is 6x. So simplified, we have 3x squared y cubed times the square root of 6x.